Alright, let's see. We got a third one here on the GoPro 5 here, so we're going to cruise along over here. It's a Bel Air. That's a big dog. You got that all tricked out. There's a bunch. I mean, there's just, I can walk by and tell them I like that little bike in the back. That's kind of cool. I guess that Coors guy, he bought that from Coors, but promotional. Nice. Timberlands interiors. Sun came out. Don't really need the sunglasses, so it's not a big deal. It's gonna be a nice day. Downtown Hopkins has a bunch of stuff going on today. They have a bunch of food trucks, so it's good to see. Great weekend. I love this. I love it. Fatso. Nice. Nice. Thunderbird over there. That's nice. She's just windy enough to keep the camera from overheating. So I'll after I run the battery, I'll pull out the GoPro 10, the other battery, and put it in there. Nice. There you go. There you go. What do you think? Hell yeah. It's a great family place to come. They spend money. You got French fries. Not a big deal. They used to have a racetrack over here. They're tearing up the water thing, but kettle corn. That's some good stuff. Lemonade. Maybe I'll get some kettle corn way out the door, but you can smell it.
I actually want to get some.
Maybe I'll buy some of that on the way out the door. She likes kettle corn. Never seen this before. Nice Thunderbirds. Look at that bad boy. Oh, look at there. Love those Bonnevilles convertible. I love this little jump seat, you guys. Sitting there.
I think it has seat posts, I think you can. That's great.
Especially if you're like.
Got some over here, kind of nice. Look at this bad boy right here. Him behind that bad boy. What do you guys think about that, huh? Getting the engine in here. That bad boy. So we're gonna go over there. Some tow trucks over here. SS. Look at that bad boy.
Well, I'm gonna give him your number. So
Wife's
when he gets up that way, you could do a
Choice
little
Awards.
bit more directing. It's easier sometimes to find something. We can
Look at that, huh?
You're describing.
Woohoo! Let's go over here to the, goes over the old tow trucks over here. Let's go look. They're still towing, but I think all their old tow trucks they've kept. We meet by accident. Oh man, so true. Custom cars, Porky's. muscle cars. This is a 64 Corvette. What do you guys think, huh? City of Fridley. I've seen it before. So these are all their old village of Fridley.
Try that shampoo. That smell?
Hope they have my own towing service. You just have your own place to put all the cars and fix them up. Plenty of old tow trucks for sale. Just need a place to store all your cars, and people don't come and get them. They're all yours. Retitle them.
This is one that we got, and then we got Little Barbara, which is the original last time. That was the biggest thing stayed on.
Lovely little tricycle in there. Little Barbara. We met by accident. So yeah. So I see, I keep walking. Like I said, it was. Look at 56. Look at this bad boy. Nice. Look at that one. I put that top down. I know it's. That's nice outside to put it down. People get an idea what it looks like. Got Galaxy. Thunderbird.
She says dance, not me.
That bad boy. But yeah, it just goes on and on and on for all these cars, so you can only do so much. Look at that bad boy. All right. Over there, that's a haunted house they have. We'll go down here, over here. Behind me over here is where the all the ice cream and stuff. So let's go over here.
And now we have.
Good times roll down the highway. Nice. That bad boy. What do you think, huh? So this is the best day to come here because everyone leaves, goes back to Iowa or Wisconsin, wherever they come from. So you lose a lot on Sunday. Cool little car. Someone told me my PT Cruiser was a collector. It was some lady that had one like mine on a construction site, I guess. But that's a nice little convertible right there. Over here, this bad boy. Nice. 64, what, 63, what is that? 63. 4-door. That's nice. Classic. Oh, look at that bad boy. It's a, right there, 64. Love to have that car. This yours? Okay. Oh, okay. Like it. Big, classic. She wants it.
I know, right?
I don't blame you. What the hell? Why not? I would. It's nice. You can get them very expensive too these days. A lot of people don't like those for some reason. They like all the. They don't. A lot of people like.
Thunderbirds are my favorite.
I know, but a lot of people don't like them for some reason. They want all the. That's. You'd be surprised you can get it for those inexpensive 20, 25 grand. Be to look around because people don't like them. I do. I think they're great.
Yeah.
They're unique. I know, but a lot of people like the old Pontiac. So you look around, you can find some expensive. If you want a real car, get a Javelin.
Javelin.
AMC Javelin. Yep. Yep. So all right. All right. So all right, you guys. So anyway, that's my favorite car right here so far.